Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sheila and it has been a long time. Okay, today I'll teach you how to use this word, this character in Chinese. I know it's a little bit more complicated, difficult for beginners. Today I'll try my best to make it less difficult. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first, soften the tone. If you put this character ba at the end of a sentence, it'll turn a command into a suggestion. It's similar to okay in English. Okay, let me give you an example. 写作业, do your homework. And if you say 写作业, it's like you're angry or you just command somebody to do his homework. But if you say 写作业吧, it's like you just make a suggestion to him. You just say do your homework, okay? So command plus 吧. 我们走吧. 我们走吧. 我们帮帮他吧. 我们帮帮他吧. The second, make a good guess. I think it's similar to right in English. Okay, let me give you an example. 他是美国人吧? It's like he's American, right? 他会来吧? 他会来吧? 他们走了吧? 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 好吧，就这样做吧。好吧，就这样做吧。If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and give me a like. Bye bye.